Now that you have a root account, let's go ahead and sign in through the console. So now you can click on sign into console and it takes you to this page, which is a little confusing at first. So you have account ID, you're like, oh, I have to memorize a 12-digit number or whatever, right? An IAM username. Now you don't have one of those yet. That's what we're going to create in this tutorial. Password we don't have. So down here it says sign in using root user email. Right now that's all you have. So this is actually a barrier to entry. People are confused by this screen. So sign in using root email. And now what you signed in on, you're gonna sign in again. So right here, again, it says root user, IAM user. You do not have an IAM account yet. You have to create that with the root user. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management, by the way. So let's go ahead and log in to your root account. Now, it depends on what you do for multi-factor authentication, which you might have set up on your own when you set your root account up. If not, you're fine. Great. Looks like I signed in, no problem. Hopefully you're here. And before I give you any major tutorials on how this all works, we're going to go straight up to the search bar up here, which works very, very good. And we're just going to type in IAM. You're going to see, now this is another confusing part, IAM, Managed Access to AWS Resources, and then you have IAM Identity Center. So you're going to wonder, what's the difference, right? They look the same, but they are vastly different. We're going to stick with IAM. The Identity Center is when you have multiple accounts with big organizations, multiple organizations all tied up to one account. We're not going to get into that, so let's just click on the IAM. And then the very first thing we're going to do is take a look at the left-hand navigation bar, and you'll see IAM Users. Click on that. You can see I have one user here. We're going to create a user so that we can access, without being in root, a lot of the information.